इसी बीच आईटी वजीर नारा लोकेश ने कहा कि ये हब स्टार्टअप्स और तलबा को इब्तदाई मरहले से मौके फराहम करेगा और उन्हें इनोवेशन के जरिए अमली नताइज हासिल करने में मदद देगा। उन्होंने जोर दिया कि आंध्र प्रदेश को मुस्तकबिल में एक इनोवेशन हब के तौर पर आलमी सतह पर मुमताज़ बनाया जाएगा। उन्होंने रतन टाटा की क़यादत की अहमियत पर भी रोशनी डाली।
It gives me immense pride to stand before you to launch the Ratan Tata Innovation Hub. This is not a building, it is a beacon of hope, a statement of confidence and a promise of what Andhra Pradesh can achieve. This hub carries the spirit of the great son of India, Shri Ratan Tata Ji, a man who showed us that true leadership is not just about profits, but about values, ethics, empathy and excellence. Today we dedicate this hub to those same ideals. When I talk about innovation, the Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu's name comes up. All of you here must be wondering, how does a politician fit into innovation? What many of you don't know here is that he's a serial entrepreneur. Before Heritage, which is his more successful venture, he started 3 companies and failed at all 3. But that never stopped him. Failure never stopped him. Failure was merely a stepping stone towards excellence. His persistence and perseverance is what drives him and to deliver amazing results.